So after having my third baby now, I realized that I'm losing some serious hair, and that's completely normal after childbirth and after having a baby. So this is my third baby and I have considerably lost lots of hair. So I'm really excited about today because I'm going to be getting our Lucere PRP hair therapy treatments, and I can't wait to get started. One of the very few effective treatments for hair loss is PRP. So today we're going to be getting the Lucere PRP treatment. PRP stands for Platelet Rich Plasma, and I'm really excited for some self-care at Lucere. So Dr. T, I have a surprise for you.
Oh.
So we've been married for about 8 years now, and I wanted to do something special. So I was thinking of getting us a couples massage.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, it is nice, but you know what? I was thinking of something better than a couples massage. I thought a couples PRP session together for hair loss, where we can grow together.
Oh,
yes?
I love that.
Okay.
Not all PRPs are the same, and I really insist that you do your homework and your research and find out about that. I actually wanted to recognize Nurse Terry, who is one of our most prolific, if not the most prolific, PRP treaters in the clinic. And she is part of the special surprise because she'll be doing our treatments for our PRPs.
So exciting. So we have everything set up here. We're excited to get started for our couples hair therapy PRP session. Are you excited, Dr. T?
I sure am. I've needed it a while, and I'd like to introduce our special nurses, Nurse Terry and Nurse Lily.
Yeah.
And they're going to be taking care of us today. Let's get started.
The first step is drawing blood. The next step is where we actually use that collection device and place it in a centrifuge. Step 3, carefully collecting the platelet-rich plasma into the syringe itself. Lastly, you're watching the patient having their platelet-rich plasma injected into the target areas.
So I've had 3 PRP treatments for hair loss so far, and I'm really happy with my results. I'm already seeing baby hairs growing up here, flying around, and I'm really excited. We do recommend a series of 6 to 9 treatments for optimal results. If you'd like to see more live updates about my hair loss journey and this amazing PRP treatment, please follow us on Instagram. We hope you enjoyed this video. We love to make these types of videos so we can get you guys the best information. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.